So hopefully you've had the time to go through and graph all of these functions using Desmos. If you were not able to attend the Google Meet, then this is a video that you need to watch. So this is an investigation to extraneous solutions. So what you did the previous day was solving radical equations, how to find the solution. And remember how we talked about the fact that there's extraneous solutions, points that when you plug back in, or values of x that when you plug back in, it's not going to work. So that is what this investigation is for. So the first thing I wanted you to do was just to review what the square root function looks like and just some basic transformations. And that goes all the way back to Unit 1. So the first function is the parent function. And then notice what happened when we added the negative on the outside. So the negative caused the square root function to reflect over the x-axis. Okay? Well, notice what happened when the negative is inside the square root. So when the negative is inside the square root, the function reflected over the y-axis. Okay? So then, whenever I said the square root of x plus 7, that plus 7 is inside the radical. So notice how we shifted to the left 7 units. Okay, and then next, notice whenever you have this minus 5 outside of the radical, notice how we shifted down 5 units. And then last, when you put the two transformations together, so the plus 7 inside and then the minus 5 on the outside, we went left 7 and down 5 units. Okay, so just a review of our transformations. So now I'm going to start the second video here in just a second because I don't want my videos to be too long. When you watch the second video, what you're going to be doing is you should have graphed both of these functions in the same coordinate plane. Now we've talked a little bit about systems of equations before and what that means. So now turn to the back of this page and the next page, and let's go over the next 4. And hopefully you're going to see some familiar looking functions that you've already seen before.